Welcome to IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to use copyright registered and trademark symbol in Microsoft Word document. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. At first you open a Microsoft Word document and by default it open home tab. At first you go to insert tab and click this option and find in the right in the top find symbol, insert a symbol, click this option and find more symbol. We are see now symbol windows are open. In this windows we are insert any symbol, insert in this list. We insert Arabian symbol alif and click insert and we are see insert a alif Arabian signal or symbol, this normal text, and we also you insert algorithm. We point insert specific symbol Allah, please insert Allah and Hajjat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam insert. We are see we select and increase the font size. Symbol we also insert this special symbol. In this windows we go to special character symbol and find copyright symbol. We select it and insert and also register in select it and insert. We also trademark insert and we shortcut to insert copyright symbol Ctrl Alt C, Alt Ctrl C and Alt Ctrl R and Alt Ctrl T. We are Alt Ctrl T, Alt Ctrl trademark insert and also shortcut use copyright symbol Alt Ctrl C and also in Alt Ctrl R is register symbol. In this way we symbol in Microsoft Word document. So if this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel, keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very